issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Teller County in central Colorado, west central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 3 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodland Park, or 17 miles northwest of Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard:
This guy didn't
60
went
miles
off.
an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected.
I just missed that EAS alert.
Locations impacted include Woodland Park, Green Mountain Falls, Christola, and Chipeta Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fremont County in central Colorado, southern Teller County in central Colorado, western El Paso County in east central Colorado until 3:45 p.m. At 3:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cripple Creek, or 17 miles west of Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cripple Creek and Victor. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
I love making videos just for you guys. There is some little chances to make this channel keep going. If you want to keep this channel alive, please check out at GoFundMe page, including Patreon at patreon.com. Making those videos possible. Please don't forget to check them out as well. More on that in the next video.